We go through so many different versions of ourselves in a lifetime. But the most important one is who we are when we're alone. There's something about navigating new places and experiences on your own that make it a little scary. It forces you to be completely alone, to truly absorb your thoughts and surroundings. In the last 2 years, solo travel has become the norm for me. It changed me in the way where I knew I couldn't go back to who I was before. So what actually makes it so intriguing? Growing up, I always felt a little lost, and in all honesty, I had a really low self-esteem. I wasn't sure who I was, what I wanted, and my confidence was at an all-time low. The thought of going to a restaurant alone would just send me into a panic attack. Traveling solo helped me gain the confidence to kind of just go outside, make plans for myself, and force me to talk to strangers. I always felt nervous or embarrassed if I felt like I was doing something wrong in public. But in all reality, that is kind of the best part, is that nobody knows you. So just enjoy. You get to meet so many new people when you travel. And if you're nervous traveling by yourself, just open yourself up to other people, because I promise people are a lot more kind than you think. I've gained so many new friendships and connections along the way, and I am forever grateful for those connections. Not to mention, the next time you're in the area, you have a friend there and you're not completely alone. There is nothing holding you back when you travel solo. You can explore on your own terms and basically make up your own schedule. Sometimes I like to take my time, seeing things, filming, taking photos, and I don't really feel bad when I want to stay longer in an area and pull over 100 times along the side of the road. And to me, that's the best part, because you can literally take so much time, take as many photos as you want, hike as long as you want. I like to take my time, especially when I'm hiking, and just spending time in that area and really soaking it in, instead of being a little bit distracted when you're with other people. Sometimes your energy is just elsewhere. No matter what, things will always go wrong, but please do not let that thought get in the way or scare you. It's very rare when something goes exactly as planned, and traveling solo has absolutely helped my problem-solving skills. Dealing with canceled flights or whatever happens to disrupt the original plan, you will learn to deal with the problem head-on, which leads to more patience, growth, and more confidence. Just look at it in the way where it's just another unexpected adventure, and you just kind of have to deal with it. And the more that you start thinking that way, the better the plans go. So just enjoy whatever life throws at you, because you can't really do anything about it anyways. Solo travel isn't for everybody, but I do think it is worth trying at least once or twice in your life. Who knows, it could absolutely just change you and you have no idea. And if you don't know where to start by going small or local. And if this is something that you still love doing and you want to go outside of those borders, then I totally recommend you do that, because honestly, it's something that I never thought of myself even getting to the point of doing. I knew before I started solo traveling that I wanted to solo travel at least once or twice in my life. However, I surprised myself and I ended up loving it. I actually prefer traveling solo, honestly. But don't get me wrong, I still love traveling with other people. However, traveling solo is just so special to me now, and I can do exactly whatever I want. But to me, I don't know, it just kind of gave me so much more confidence and so many more life skills that I never thought was possible in my life. I also feel like I need to mention to be smart about things, always do your research, have multiple forms of contact, and honestly, always get insurance, especially when you get a rental car, because it will save you so much time and chaos if something goes wrong with your car. And just accept whatever comes your way. Life is full of chaotic and unexpected things. Dealing with it is just an unexpected adventure. In the moment, it might not be the best, but I promise you will learn more life skills when you start dealing with things head on. And who knows, you might surprise yourself.